morning, Mommy and I woke up and decided we wanted to do a simple dinner, which we are doing tonight. However, I wanted to do something that we could at least provide like some sort of worthwhile tips to. So almost fajitas, not quite fajitas. I want to call it like fajita tacos, almost. But we're gonna, that's stupid, right? Everybody knows how to make some chicken and cut up some bell peppers. Mm-hmm. But I got tips. You understand me?
Okay.
Okay, so number one, taco seasoning. Get rid of it. I'm gonna make my own marinade for my chicken. I already filleted and pounded that down, so it's ready to go. I got, I don't know, about a half a cup of olive oil here. Let's see, we got granulated garlic. So teaspoon, granulated garlic and onion powder. Boom. And then here, teaspoon, paprika, chili powder. Smoked.
Okay.
Boom. And then 2 teaspoons of cumin. Boom. Pinch of salt. Big pinch. Pinch of pepper. It's like one of Joy's videos. Pepper. So we'll just combine that real quick. And that's it. Nice. That's so much better than taco seasoning. That's tip number 1, okay? Mm-hmm. If this works with steak, flank steak or skirt steak, it's great. I'll mix that all in a minute, but I want to get some things out of the way here. Okay, these are my fajita pans. For now, these babies are going in the oven just to warm up. I've already sprayed, I used canola. So I'm just gonna get those hotter than hell, 425 degrees. Get the salt and pepper out of the way. I'm feeling old today.
How long does this marinade?
Probably like 25, 30 minutes once I get it all mixed up. So, IMHO. Do you know what that stands for? The kids say it. IMHO.
No.
In my honest opinion, that's what the kids say in their text messages. So IMHO. Mm-hmm. I think that these do much better in the oven. When that sucker's like super piping hot, and these are all sliced up, they're gonna go in the oven, they're gonna cook in the oven. You know why?
Why?
I don't like cooking them in a grease bath on the damn stove where they just, you know, it looks like a piece of bologna by the time you eat it. I want a little bit of bite. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna dice these bad boys. We're gonna get them going in there, let that rest a little bit, because they're gonna take longer in the oven than they do on the cooktop. I mean, the cooktop, we're talking like 5-10 minutes tops. So we'll get these babies chopped up. Really good beans. One of my favorite black beans. But I'm an idiot. I forgot so many things today at the store. I wanted to get diced green chilies to put in these. Didn't. Oh. I wanted to get some queso fresco. Guess what I didn't get? Queso fresco. Because I'm a stupid dum-dum. And I didn't get lime. I wanted to make cilantro lime rice. So instead, we'll just make the rice. We'll chop up the cilantro, garnish. But other than that, we got good shit going down. It's gonna taste delicious. We got the pre-made right here. Yep. Everyone's gonna be happy. You're gonna be happy. And today is the day I will get my back rub.
All right.
Swear?
Maybe. No.
I'm never gonna.